Are you struggling to keep up with the ever-changing Amazon marketplace? Constant rule shifts, fierce competition, and rising costs can make success feel elusive. But what if there was a way to not just survive, but thrive? At Jungle Scout, we specialize in empowering sellers like you. Our 15 actionable strategies are tailored to boost your profitability and navigate today's complex Amazon landscape seamlessly. First, optimize your product listings with high-intent keywords. Discover what customers are saying and position your product as the solution to their pain points. Second, improve click-through rates with high-quality images and A-plus content. Captivate shoppers with striking visuals that make your products irresistible. Third, employ competitive pricing strategies. Dynamic pricing adjustments keep you at the forefront of the market, increasing your chances of winning the buy box, where 80–90% of purchases occur. What sets us apart? Our robust tools like Keyword Scout and Sales Analytics deliver unmatched insights, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. Now is the time to act. Turn insights into action with Jungle Scout and watch your Amazon sales soar. Don't wait. Visit our website to learn more and unleash your business potential.